How to create a TikTok Lite account. So the very first thing you want to do is to make sure that the application TikTok is downloaded on your device. If not, you can easily get it from the Play Store or an App Store. Once your application is installed on your device, open the application. It will directly open up this interface. Right here you can see it says sign up for TikTok. Well, first thing you should know that if you already have your official TikTok account, then you don't have to create again for the TikTok Lite. You can simply use the phone number or your Google account associated with your TikTok account. Well, I have created my account through my Google account, so tap on continue with Google. Now select the specific Google account. Wait for a while for it to log in. So there you go, you have been successfully logged into your TikTok Lite account. So that's it, and this is simply how you can create your TikTok Lite account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.